going on, traders? Let's go look at some charts starting of the new week. Today is September 16th. There is a rollover on the contracts on the 24th, so keep that in mind. You will get an alert if you're on NinjaTrader when you log in. I wouldn't roll over now. Just wait until the 23rd or the 24th once you have some volume in there. So I will just keep it on what you have it right now. So the 24th is when, so the 23rd is probably when you want to roll that over. Anyways, let's go over the charts. This is Nasdaq NQ. This is the micros. So this is our time-based chart. This is the 30-minute. As you can see, this is the range, the 1 hour range from Friday. As you can see, we're already inside that 1 hour range. So I'm going to go ahead when the market opens after an hour, mark up the new range and get rid of this one since we're already in it, which is a good thing. So those levels are hit. This level has not been hit yet. So I'm going to leave that there. That may get hit today since we're so close to it. Like I said, this is a 30-minute chart. This is the range from, let me see, I have these 1 hour range. This is Friday's, this is Thursday's range, and this is Wednesday's range when we had that big move up. So I'm going to leave these here. These are good levels for it to go and take. As you can see, we've never really broken out of this level here. We actually came into it, and I believe we're going to go ahead and take the liquidity out of this lower level from Friday. So we may make a move down here, but you can see right here, shrink this down a little bit. It's got the open, which is right here. It's got the low. As you can see, we're making new lows here. The pivot point Fibonacci, where we tapped S1, support 1, support 2 is right below this range level. Then you have support 3 within this range level. So we may go and take both of these range levels out. We'll see. Resistance 1 is up here. We didn't get to it. R2 is above the high from Friday. And then R3 is 19,673. So those are just some reference points for levels. So a good level is probably this level. And of course, you're looking to buy once it hits these levels here. This is the 200 and this is the 10 exponential moving average. So as always, we are there right now at 19,437. We were at 19,546 at the high. So we may come down here to 19,380. Take this liquidity out because we've already taken this out from Friday. This is the range. So we may get rid of the liquidity here, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those levels. And then the next level to look at is 19,350, which is the high from Thursday. So these are good support levels here. This is really good support because it's below S2. This here, and this is at S3, the 200s right here. So these are good buying levels down here. And of course, you got to wait until it goes up the R1, R2, R3 to look for some sales. But we are scalpers, and we're in and out of this market. That is the 30-minute. Let's look at, okay, this is the system that you have if you are trading this with Sakana. As you can see, we are at a high. This gives you the Fibonacci levels. And we made new lower lows, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. This is price action. And if you do have this system, you could trade what you see, not what you think. So if your bias, we're dropping, take the lower highs. If your bias is we're in a key point where we can buy the market, then you just take the lower lows, and the higher lows. As you can see right here, we're a consolidation. It is 806, so it's going to consolidate here at the swing low. But since we're right here, this is time base, we're at a swing low. And we're close to this, taking this level out. We may go and take that level and go to S2 and take this level. So we'll see what happens. But as always, trade what you see, not what you know. Lower low here, you got a triangle, price action bar. That's a good signal to take. That's an easy 20 plus because this is 80 ticks. That's an easy 20 tick below if you're a scalper, in and out. Lower high, like I said, if your bias for it is to drop, lower high right here is another price action signal. But I wouldn't take that because, you know, it's had this move lower, going lower. So that is taking the lower lows is the higher probability signals. I mean the lower highs. So if you have the lower high here and you have the triangle here, that's a good signal. Price action bar, price action dot with the triangles. If you're trading 20 ticks, you're in and out. You should win most of those trades depending where you get in at. You got the price levels. The red sellers are in control. The green buyers are in control. So that is how you trade this system here, and it gives you the level. That is the high. We are going lower and lower as far as the Fibonacci levels for this trading session, trading day. But as always, we may have our bias. I'm looking for buys when we get to these levels. Okay, so I'm looking for buys. If we come up here, I'm looking for sells. And that's the way you should have a bias. So once you have your bias, you trade what you see on the chart. Okay, so once I get to a bias where I'm going to buy the market, I'm going to start taking all the lower lows going up and the higher lows. So that is the little forecast for today, giving you my input. Anyways, it's 8:08 right now. You guys have a good day trading and good week to start the week.